Stuart Cuthbertson. I'm Projects Manager of Dalmarnock Road in Glasgow, which is a McTaggart construction site. We have been involved with SafeLane now since September of 2018. We found an unexploded ordnance on site. SafeLane Global came to the party and we sat down, we got a price, got agreed strategy, and we started work within 4 weeks of finding the UXO so that we wouldn't cause a massive impact on our programme. The UXO works were carried on for about 16-17 weeks. Those works then started to come to an end. We were looking to employ another company to come in and do drilling, to drill out for each of the individual piles to show the obstructions, and Neil had mentioned that as a company that SafeLane Global actually carried those type of works. And then we went on to doing drilling, pre-drilling for piles. We will finish probably the next 3 months, so almost a year from the day that it started on site.
Hi, Duncan McKenzie from Epirock. We're a drilling equipment supplier based here in Grangemouth, Scotland. We've recently been supplying SafeLane Global with all the drilling tools on this project here in Dalmarnock. We were first called into the site to supply 8-inch hammer system, drill pipe and 279mm butt bits. Initially we didn't realise that the ground conditions were going to be so difficult that resulted in some of the drill bits literally lasting 2 to 3 metres. Normally we would think that a butt bit would last maybe 1,000–1,500 metres. So this was a unique situation that we all found ourselves in. Given that the butt bits maybe sometimes take 2 to 3 weeks to manufacture at a factory in Fort Loudon in America, working with the freight companies and air freight the bits in, we've managed to keep up with demand. And thankfully things have, ground conditions have improved slightly over the last couple of weeks, so things have slowed down, but we're ready here to supply more bits as the demand increases.